Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you how to replace the front brake pass and rotor complete knock the caliper, but I have the new rotor and the new part ceramic part, the OE clutch. So this was a ceramic part. It's very good quality, and the rotor is good quality too. Okay, so I give you the part number for the part. There's the part number over here. And the rotor part number. OE clutch. Very good quality. Pass and rotor. Long time I didn't do the video because, to be honest, I'm very busy. So now I show you guys how to do it very easy, about like 5-10 minutes done for this job. Each side. Okay, let's do it together. So first time you need the wrench 14 and the socket 17. Okay, so now I'm going to focus over here, the passing rotor over here. So you need the gear wrench. If you don't have the gear wrench, you can use a 14 wrench. However, okay, I use the gear wrench. Okay, so I take it out. It's very easy to do it. It's not a big deal for that. One bolt, 14. So after that, use the screwdriver to remove the caliper. Take the caliper another side. Okay, put away. And use this one. C-clamp. Put the caliper back like this. Okay, tie them up like this, one by one, tie them up like that. Okay, so after that, we take the two bolts here. I have to use the impact socket. If you don't have the socket, you can use the 3A for the 17. So I have to use the impact and make it faster, right? So I'm going to use the impact. I have to remove easy. Okay, take two bolts out. That's it. So take this one out. Okay, I replace the new shim too. Okay, take the shim out. So now we have to serve with this bracket. Show you how to serve with the bracket. So use the fire to clean this one right here. Okay, so I do very slow. Maybe you can see that. I don't know how you can see that. Okay, so now what I have to do is apply anti-seize. Here, over here, better. So I'm going to put a new shim on. Okay, this shim is supposed to be like this. See that one? To go inside. Cannot go wrong. Only one way to go. Here, I'll show you more easy how to apply the seam. Here, this one outside. Okay, another side same. So this one, you see that one I put on. Here, this one's supposed to be outside. Put outside. Okay, that's it. So now I apply and see one more time. Okay, so now we serve with this slice caliper. We call it pink slide. Take it out, clean them up. I use with the grease. They come with the parts. Gotta put on. Okay, another side. I do another side. I do later on anyway. Okay, now we put the cut or take the roller out. Just bang a little bit out. You don't have to bang a little bit out. Okay, take this one out. Okay, sometimes the old car, the back in place with the rusty, and then just cut it or whatever, throw it away. Don't worry about it because the back end plate hit the rotor and make a noise. So I forgot to tell you, I don't know if I say the first time this got a Toyota Corolla 2012. I forgot to talk about it. Anyway, now put the new rotor on. So sometimes they give you hard time like this. Put the ball on over here. If you don't have the vice chip to hold this rotor, make it more easy. Just hold the rotor on. Okay, put the racket on. Racket caliper on. They have two bolts. 17. Put another one here. So make sure you serve with the caliper good, and then the parts make longer, last longer. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put the parts on. It doesn't matter, outside and inside the same. Usually they have this one, they call when you have to put like this, but I don't recommend you put on, don't need to. Okay, so put it one more easy. Just throw it away, that one, don't put on. They give you hard time when you put that one on. Do want a little bit to give you hard time to put on. Guys. Okay. You got the same. Okay, that's it. Now this caliper on. Make sure you clean them up again. Put the grease on. Usually you want to put a two ball top and the bottom, but Toyota you can put only the bottom. Another car maybe you have to put both, but this car you don't need to. Okay. So now you install it. Make sure the flex hole is right. Sometimes you screwed up the flex hole, so you put like this. You forgot, and that means no good. You have to put right situation. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now put it back together. Number 14, put on. Okay, tie them up. Okay, another one. That's it, done. Very easy. Now put a tie on. I don't need to show you how to put a tie on. To put on the seat next time, take the wheel out more easy. So that's it. So I show you how to replace the front passenger rotor for the Toyota Corolla. The model I think so the LE 1.8 liter. It's 2.4 different the rotor, a little bit bigger size, but 1.8 all the same. So thank you very much for you guys watching my video. See you next video. Bye.